Hello everyone, I am Daniel San. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers. What is Red? By Deborah Schecter. Apples are red. Red, red, red. Apples are red. Red, red, red. Strawberries are red. Red, red, red. Strawberries are red. Red, red, red. Fire trucks are red. Red, red, red. Fire trucks are red. Red, red, red. Stop signs are red. Red, red, red. Stop signs are red. Red, red, red. Flowers are red. Red, red, red. Flowers are red. Red, red, red. Hearts are red. Red, red, red. Hearts are red. Red, red, red. My face is red. Red, red, red. My face is red. Red, red, red.